Do you have a shop management system? Yeah? Does it work for you? You know what to do with all the data? That's coming right up. Well, we're at the 2018 Vision High Tech Conference, and I am in the Horizon Training and Management booth, and this is Angela, and she knows more about analyzing shop data than anybody I ever talked to. So tell us how this program works.
Well, thanks so much, Jim. Thanks for your time. So the Horizon dashboard works in addition to your shop management system. It pulls the data directly from your shop management system in real time, and it analyzes all your data. It puts it in an easy to read dashboard format, so you're not just looking at a big screen of numbers. Anybody can tell what's going on in your business when they look at the Horizon dashboard.
Yeah, I just want to say, just in case you didn't catch that, when Angela said this is not a shop management system you need to get. You already have one, and this analyzes your system.
Exactly. It pulls from your shop management system, and then it analyzes the data, and it tells you where you're doing good and where you're falling behind your targets, whether it be sales or profitability. And then, as you can see, as you drill down through a gauge, if you're falling behind, it gives you corrective, it tells you why you're falling behind, and then it gives you corrective solutions and links to training to correct. There's webinars, online sales training, visual aids and resources, more than I can list in this segment, Jim.
Oh, that's really great. So now once you access a program like this and you see where you're behind, then you can, like Angela said, you can go someplace to get training to coach you in improving those areas. Now, one of the things that I was just wondering is, who produces this training? Who's the coach?
Yeah, the training is all done by Horizon Training, John Dedels and myself. We have over 48 different management webinars on a variety of different topics, both live and recorded. There's an online interactive sales training program, and you can always talk to a Horizon coach, either John or myself. We're fully accessible through the program.
Yeah, I heard that. So it's interactive. You get to ask questions and stuff so you're not confused, and you can take some real value, I think, away from a program like this.
Absolutely. All the training is included in the dashboard program. It's an all-in-one package.
Awesome. Okay, here's the real hard question.
Yeah.
How do we find out more about this? How do we get a hold of you?
Oh, perfect. You can find us on our website, www.horizontmg.com. That's Horizon Training and Management Group, so tmg.com.
Okay. And we'll put that information in the video description down below, so you'll be able to get a hold of these folks. Now, one of the things that you also want to do is comment down below. Do you have a shop management system? Is it working for you? Any suggestions and that sort of thing. And don't forget to ask questions, because these folks can answer those for you. So check it out, and I really think you're going to be glad you did.